大家好，我是 Javed 老师. Most of the people want to talk about hobbies in Chinese, but they don't know how to talk about hobbies in Mandarin. So, in this video, we are going to learn how to talk about hobbies in Chinese. àihào, àihào, àihào. Hobby. xǐhuān, xǐhuān, xǐhuān. Like. 看书, 看书, 看书. Read a book. 运动, 运动, 运动. Sports. 做饭, 做饭, 做饭. Cook. 旅游, 旅游, 旅游. Travel. 听音乐, 听音乐, 听音乐. Listen music. 看电影, 看电影, 看电影. Watch a movie. For example, 我喜欢看书. I like reading books. 我的爱好是看书. My hobby is reading books. Now, how to say I like, 我喜欢, then add your hobby. To ask what is your hobby, 你的爱好是什么? 你的爱好是什么? To answer, 我的爱好是看书 or 我的爱好是听音乐. My hobby is listening music or reading books. Let's take a look to dialogues. 你的爱好是什么? 我的爱好是看书. 你呢? 我喜欢看电影. Congratulations, you have learned how to talk about hobbies in Chinese. Now, comment below your hobby and don't forget to watch this video till end. There would be quiz for you. 再见。